Like we've said, we've had crews on the road all morning long tracking these conditions and the impacts throughout your morning commute.
Yeah, let's get over to meteorologist Joe Farrell. He is joining us in the Local 5 Storm Tracker. And Joe, what are you seeing out there? First of all, where are you at this point?
Yeah, we are currently off of exit 65 in the Cumming area. And this is off of I-35. And there was a semi that did tip over in the wind. I'm going to switch the camera around here. The crews were trying, getting this on the tow vehicle and things like that, wanted to give them their space. But this is the semi that did turn over from the wind. And it looks as though, given that the passenger side is kind of smashed in left side of the vehicle on your screen, that tells me that the semi was going in the northbound lanes of I-35, and that wind, coming straight across I-35, heading towards the Des Moines area, it tipped. So this is one of the main, even though the ground blizzard, and that type of blowing snow wasn't happening in the Des Moines area, the wind was still a major concern for us, and this is exactly why. But not sure, don't know anything about, condition of the drive or anything like that. Really hoping everyone is okay. But this is what happened here, and this is something that will continue to possibly be a problem. So, more than anything, what I want everyone to keep in mind, be patient with workers, be patient with crews when things like this happen. The wind is really causing a lot of problems and causing the overall response time to maybe be just a little bit slower than usual. So this is what we've got going on, and we will keep you guys posted on anything else that we see. In the meantime, everyone stay safe out there on the roads, and especially in the open and rural areas where those winds are still very, very strong.
All right, Joe, a good reminder there, just the importance of safety and really taking it slow out there this morning. Thank you, sir.